Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta Exchange. Yesterday, I said on Friday, US markets fell, GIFT Nifty indicating about 180, 200 point down. And Friday, US markets, it was the worst fall in 2025. The main reason, number one, there was some consumer sentiment data which was not good, but that was not the main reason. It was the huge profit booking at all-time high, expecting some kind of bad announcement by Trump over the weekend. So over the weekend, there was no such bad announcement at all. So because of that, the US futures are recovering slightly. So therefore, the GIFT Nifty also recovered about 50-60 points. Now GIFT Nifty indicating about 120 points gap down. Now, this is a very significant level. So that's because if you look at the biggest rally from October 2023 to September 2024, it was precisely from 19,000 to 26,300. So 50% of that fall, the retracement works out to be 22,650 precisely. So if the Nifty future indicating around 22,680 as per GIFT Nifty indication, then Nifty spot may be 20-30 point lower. So that is exactly 50% retracement of the biggest rally, the 40% rally. So therefore, today's opening is at a very significant level. The market should take support around this level. So failing which, the Nifty, the next target may be around 22,000 or even 21,800. So that may be 61.8 retracement. So that will be even bigger support. So let us hope market recovers from here. So this is already very quite disappointing performance by Indian markets. Globally, things are okay. In fact, some of the Asian markets are in green. Some of them are red, but we can say Asian markets are flat with some positive and some negative bias. There was no big reaction by Asian markets. Even if there is a reaction, we can understand because many of them are trading at all-time high. If you look at the Hong Kong market, it was up 10-15% in last 1 month. So that market can fall 1-2%. So there'll be a profit booking. So our market, so where is the profit booking? All those who invested in the last 6 months, so there is no profit at all. So however, there may be some pockets. So there may be some small profit, but overall, our market is in a very bad shape. As I said in the Dalal Street Week Ahead program, things are not going to change unless some major announcement come from the government of India. Of course, yesterday also there was some announcement from RBI. So I think they are doing some kind of liquidity injection into the markets. But once again, so there is some small positive news. So as I said earlier, a small positive news, the markets may go, but ultimately markets will come down. So that is the picture right now. So the picture is not looking very good everywhere. So we need to see which sector is going to make a bigger fall today. So last week, one day it was TCS Infosys, and next day it was HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank. Next day it was Mahindra and Mahindra and other auto stocks, right? And so last Friday, except metals, so all indices ended in red. So let us see what is going to happen. That's it for now. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening. Apologies for the voice because I have some throat infection. Thank you.